Hey everyone, ever wonder about the zany side of sewing machines? Well, buckle up because today we're diving into some of the weirdest sewing machine facts that you probably didn't know. First off, did you know the very first sewing machine was invented way back in 1790? That's right, Thomas Saint, an English inventor, came up with this game changer. But here's the kicker, it wasn't widely known until much later. Kind of like having the coolest gadget hidden in your garage and forgetting about it, huh? Now, let's take a trip to Liverpool, England. Imagine walking down the street and coming face to face with a 26-foot-tall sewing needle. Yep, you heard that right. This isn't your grandma's sewing kit, it's the world's largest sewing needle sculpture. Talk about stitching up the sky. Moving on, let's talk about how the Singer Company totally revolutionized shopping. Back in the day, they started selling their sewing machines on an installment plan. This was huge because it made sewing machines accessible to more people, spreading the joy of sewing far and wide. It was like the early version of buy now, pay later. And for our grand finale, get this, the fastest sewing machine zips through fabric at a mind-blowing 2,200 stitches per minute. It's like the Ferrari of sewing machines. Can you imagine finishing your sewing projects at that speed? You'd be whipping up new outfits faster than you can say stitch. So, there you have it. A few of the quirkiest facts about sewing machines that you probably didn't know before today. I hope you found this as fascinating as I did. If you love learning about quirky stuff like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun videos. Before you go, I've got a question for you. What's the craziest thing you've ever sewn or would like to sew using a super fast sewing machine? Drop your answers in the comments below. I can't wait to read them. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
Thanks for watching. Push the purple flower to subscribe and you can watch all kinds of awesome videos.